we will guide you through how to create road profile in AutoCAD. Quick disclaimer, skipping a single step will affect your final result, so you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, begin by opening AutoCAD and clicking Open to open the topography drawing. Type Line in the command line and press Enter to create the road alignment as a polyline. Click the points along the desired road route to form the alignment. Then press Enter to finish the polyline. Go to the Home tab and find the Alignment tools. Click Alignment and select Create Alignment from Objects. Select the polyline you created and press Enter. If AutoCAD asks for the alignment direction, choose Reverse when the direction needs to be changed. A settings window will appear for the new alignment. Adjust the radius values if you need larger or smaller curves along the road alignment. Review the alignment settings and click OK to create the road alignment. Next, go to the Profile tools and click Create Surface Profile. Select the road alignment that you created. Click Add to add the existing ground surface to the profile. Select the required surface and click Add. Then click Draw in Profile View to continue creating the road profile. Select the required profile view style and review the profile view settings. Click Create Profile View to create the profile view. Specify the base point where you want to place the profile view in the drawing. Click the desired location and press Enter to finish placing the profile view. Review the completed profile and check that the alignment, existing ground surface, curves, elevations, and profile view are displayed correctly. Check that the profile view is placed within the drawing area and does not interfere with other drawing information. Finally, save the drawing by pressing Ctrl+S to preserve the completed road profile for future editing and reference.